What's up, YouTube? Big Daddy here. Time for another food review. Today, we went to Panda Express and we picked up something new from Panda Express. We got the Firecracker Shrimp. My original goal to if I get it out of the stupid bag. My original goal going to Panda Express was to get the Firecracker Shrimp. And then I walk in there and I see they had two new items. They have something called the Golden Chicken Dumplings. I have no idea. I'd never even heard of these before. In fact, I even Googled Panda Express Golden Chicken Dumplings, which you will see are brand new. And there's not even anything on the internet about them. All I know is they're chicken pot stickers, wok seared in a golden or in a savory sauce. They look pretty awesome, actually. And I tasted one; they were delicious. So here we go. Let's open this up and see what we can see. Oh my goodness. You've got the Firecracker Shrimp, and you've got these Golden Chicken Dumplings. Oh yeah. They are delicious. They're sweet. They are crunchy. They've got a little bit of kick to them, not a whole lot. I'm hoping the Firecracker Shrimp does, because it has those red pepper flakes on it. There's a piece of that Firecracker Shrimp. Yeah. Well, okay. Yeah, the Firecracker Shrimp definitely has earned its name, Firecracker, because it is really got a little bit of kick to it. And I am weird. I don't like to get the chow mein there. And I just like to get the plain old white rice. I just like it better. These Golden Chicken Dumplings, I don't know where they came from, but I'm glad they made them. They look like they're supposed to be spicier than they are, because they had like the spicy peppers mixed in the bowl with them when those black peppers. But they're not that spicy, but they're really good. They have a good flavor. They have a crunch to them on the outside, and they're a nice extra entree to go with the Firecracker Shrimp. Now, what did I pay for all this? All right. So, the two entree dish is called a plate. A plate at the Panda Express here in Naperville, Illinois, by near the Fox Valley Mall, is $7.90. That includes the Firecracker Shrimp and the chicken dumplings. And then I ordered a medium drink to go with it. All total $12.38 with the tax. Pretty sweet. Not too bad. Not the cheapest lunch ever, but definitely tasty and delicious. I like it. And the Firecracker Shrimp, a serving of this. Ooh, I poked a hole in the bottom of this styrofoam carton. I better keep my fingers over the little hole so it doesn't leak. Just to let you know, The shrimp are not the small little popcorn shrimp. They're not jumbo shrimp. They're somewhere in the middle. They're plump. They're not dried out. They're juicy. Very nicely cooked. But that Firecracker Shrimp, a serving of that, it's like 160 calories for one serving. So if you wanted to, you could skip the rice, get the amazing greens, which have nice. In fact, I don't know why I didn't do that. I should have done that. You get the amazing greens and get the Firecracker Shrimp. Get 2 servings of that. You have a lunch under 500 calories. Pretty cool. You'll be full all day. There's red pepper cooked in the Firecracker Shrimp, green beans, some yellow peppers, and the website says it's served in a savory black bean sauce. I think, I could be wrong, I think the Golden Chicken Dumplings, I think they are cooked almost in the exact same sauce because they taste very similar. That's why I say they go well. There's 2 dumplings kind of mashed together. They go well together because they have a very similar flavor palette. I love the crunchy edges. Now, I forgot to look at what the calorie count is on these, but I imagine they're a little more because of the carbs, and it looks like they were fried in oil or something of some sort. But they are delicious. So that's pretty much it, guys. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the Firecracker Shrimp and the Golden Chicken Dumplings a 10 all day. Both of these dishes are great. You definitely want to head over to Panda Express before they go away and try out both. If you don't mind, if you like eating shrimp and you like those pot stickers, you'll love these. Go check them out. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. So that's pretty much it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, tap that notifier bell so you know when the next video comes out. And remember, before you take the first bite, you gotta stuff it in your pie hole. So good.